Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Wisdom Bites. This is Aishalata, Assistant Professor in the Department of Food Sciences. Today I am going to talk about the 8 drinks which will help in lowering the blood pressure. So the first one is the beetroot juice. So beetroot juice is packed with the dietary nitrates which will help in widening of the blood vessels. So during widening of the blood vessels, what happens is that the pressure exerted by the walls of the arteries will be lesser, and also it will help in widening of the blood vessels and the proper functioning of the blood arteries, so that the systolic blood pressure can be reduced or it can be bring into the normal values. The second drink which will help in reducing the blood pressure is that the pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is packed with the antioxidants such as polyphenols which will improve the heart health. So to have a normal blood pressure value, the heart health is very important. The blood pumping of the heart is very important. So it will help in the normal functioning of the heart. The third drink which will definitely will help in normalizing the blood pressure is that is hibiscus tea. So you can make tea out of hibiscus, which is rich in anthocyanins and plenty of antioxidants, which will help in the flexibility of the blood vessels. So the blood vessels will become narrow or widen, so that the blood flow will be regular or it will be normal. The fourth drink which will help in reducing the blood pressure is that green tea. So as we know, green tea is rich in the plenty of antioxidants such as catechins, which will help in the normal functioning of the heart, and of course if the heart is functioning in a normal way, definitely the arteries also will normally function, so that the blood pressure can be bring into normal values. And the fifth one is that it is the low fat milk. Low fat milk which will be rich in the calcium and potassium, which will counteract the sodium's effect. So usually sodium also one of the it is an important factor which will helps in increasing the blood pressure. So if you wanted to reduce the blood pressure, definitely you are supposed to reduce the sodium intake. So if you drink low fat milk which is rich in calcium and potassium, which will help in counteracting the sodium's effect. The drink which will help in reducing the blood pressure is that the coconut water. So coconut water also rich in the potassium and magnesium. Again, that will help in reducing the blood pressure. The next one is that you should have a lot amount of water. Okay, so water will help in excreting excess of sodium from the kidneys, so that the sodium content in the blood will be reduced, so that the volume of the blood can be it can be made into them, so that the flow will be easier, so that the blood pressure can be bring into normal value. And also you can have the tomato juice, the unsalted tomato juice, which will definitely will help in reducing the blood pressure. So the tomato is rich in the antioxidant which is called as the lycopene, which will definitely will help in reducing the blood pressure and normal functioning of the heart. And all these drinks usually they will help in reducing the inflammation. So because of the inflammation of the arteries or the blood vessels, also there may be that may be a reason for the increase in the blood pressure. So the widening of the arteries can be, or the inflammation of the arteries can be reduced by having these kind of drinks. I hope this information will definitely help you all. You can share it with the people who are having the blood pressure, so that they can bring the blood pressure into normal values. Thank you.